Hello everyone. Today we will discuss on believe in yourself. You can achieve it if you believe in yourself. This saying holds true in our walk of life. If we make realistic goal and strive towards it, then success is no more a dream. Some achieve success without much efforts and a few others with real restlessness efforts. Life is challenging with lots of ups and downs. So we need not run away from the battlefield but stay until the war is over. Every lesson of life make us a stronger person. Believing in yourself means having faith in your own capabilities. It means believing that you can do something that is within your ability. When you believe in yourself, you can overcome self doubt and have the confidence to take actions and get things done. Look in the mirror and see a better you. Your self belief can help you climb mountain, so get up and get moving. How to believe in yourself? Everything you have in your life is a result of your belief in yourself and the belief that it is possible. Here are the four most important steps to learning how to believe in yourself. Practice them and you will be amazed at the result. First one, believe it is possible. Believe that you can do it regardless of what anyone say or where you are in life. Visualize it. Think about exactly what your life would like if you had already achieved your dream. Next, act as if. Always act in a way that is consistent with where you want to do or go. Take actions towards your goal. Do not let fear stop you. Nothing happens in life until you take actions. Next, ways to begin believing in yourself. Here are 7 ways to begin the journey of believing in yourself. First, be realistic about your goals. Accomplished goals make us feel good about ourselves. Setting goals that are achievable, not a daily and weekly basis, set us on the path towards success and the belief that we can accomplish great things. Second, surround yourself with positivity. When you keep the company of those who bring you down, you are not going to feel good and about yourself. Surround yourself with positive and generally happy people and rid yourself of as much negativity as possible. Like that friends who never has a positive thing to say. Third, acknowledge accomplishment and passion. Every time you accomplish something, no matter how trivial it may seem at first, acknowledge that you have completed something and think about those things you really enjoy doing and acknowledge them by indulging in your passion and as often as possible. Next, share what you have to offer. Are you an expert at something? Most of us have list one thing that we are passionate about and very good at. Share your expertise with someone else. Helping others learn our new skills strengthens our belief in ourselves. Next, reach for the stars. Even if you do not succeed in reaching the farthest stars, you are sure to catch something extremely rewarding on the way down from all that efforts. Next, do not be afraid to speak up. If you have questions or need clarification, speak up. If you are seeing another way a system within your office can work more efficiently, tell someone. Next, and take care of yourself. You are important. This this one is so important because you are believing in yourself comes down to your and taking your journey through life on your terms. Set boundaries that you are comfortable with. Take care of your body. Continue to learn and most importantly surround yourself with family and friends that love and support you no matter what. Next, advantage of believing in yourself. Self belief is important not only for developing confidence but also for achieving success. If you believe in yourself, no one can ever stop you from reaching your goals. Believing in yourself has certain advantages. Continue reading to know more. It leads to a focused life. Self belief increases confidence, which helps to increase focus in whatever you do. When you believe in yourself, you wish to achieve things quickly, and this sharp through process leads to a focused life. Lack of confidence can shake your belief. Next, it helps you achieve all the goals. With the power of belief in yourself, you can achieve all the goals in life. It all starts in the mind. You gather strength and determinations. This help you to lead a stress-free life. Next, it makes you more productive. Power of self-belief can make you more productive in life. With self-belief, confidence, and when your confidence level is good, you are more productive in your work. When you believe in yourself, you do not have to wait for things to unfold. This quality gives you the power to decide, thus making you productive in work and other thing in life. Next, it allows you to take risk. If you believe in yourself, you would take risk in life. Believing in yourself work in a positive way. You would not get scared of trying something new. You would be ready to face any changes or challenges life through at you. Next, it helps you remain positive. Power of self belief let you stay positive in whatever you do in life. When you believe in yourself, you would face every situation in an optimistic way. With self belief and negative situations cannot affect you. Next, it helps you face problems in life. Everyone has faced problem in life at some point of time. If you believe in yourself, then you would be able to face any problem in better way. If you do not believe in yourself, you would be low on confidence. This will the matter was it is easier to face any problems in life with self belief. Life teaches new lessons everybody. So it is important to have self belief and confidence to face any problems. Power of self belief can make you strong headed in life. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.